It is now the holiday season, and today we are making a mistletoe punch. This is perfect to serve at your holiday parties because it's delicious and it's easy to make. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. The first thing you're going to need is a punch bowl, and this makes around 9 cups to 10 cups of punch. So the first thing I'm going to add in is just some freshly squeezed lime juice. This adds a nice level of acidity to the drink. So we have just half a cup of lime juice going in. Next, I'm going to add some pomegranate juice. I really like this brand because it's 100% pomegranate juice. And I have just 1 cup of my pom juice going in. This also adds a really vibrant color to the drink. Next, I'm just going to add some triple sec. You can also use Cointreau. You just want to use an orange liqueur. And I have half a cup of my triple sec. Now I'm just going to add some simple syrup. I made an infused simple syrup. This adds a lot more flavor to your punch. To make our simple syrup, all you need to do is take your pot and add 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water, as well as 2 slices of ginger, a cinnamon stick, and a sprig of rosemary. Let this simmer for about 10 minutes until the sugar has completely dissolved, and then you can take it off the heat and let it cool. I like leaving all those herbs in there for about an hour so it adds even more flavor to my simple syrup. And then I just strain it out and we have some simple syrup. I'm going to be using 1 cup of my simple syrup. But if you like a less sweet drink, you can always scale this back. But because we have some Campari that's going in, this is very bitter. You do need something sweet to contrast it. And on the subject of Campari, let's open it up. Campari is just a bitter, kind of aromatic liqueur. It's what they use in Negronis. It smells strong, that's for sure. And I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of Campari. And now, because it's one of my punches, I'm gonna grab my big bottle of vodka. And we are going to add 2 cups of vodka. This is a fairly boozy punch, but it's the holiday season. Also, as always, if you don't want to add this much vodka, you can always decrease the alcohol level to what you are looking for. It is totally up to you. But now, let's add in some vodka. Ooh. And I'm just gonna use my cinnamon stick over here to give this a stir. And last but not least is, because this is being served to a party, you want it to be a little bit bigger. So my way of always stretching a cocktail is adding in some champagne. Also, this adds a nice level of sweetness as well, but I do like getting a more brut champagne because we already have that simple syrup in there, so you don't want an overly sweet champagne. Now I'm just going to add in 1 bottle of champagne to my punch. And the thing I like to do when I'm serving, if I notice my punch is running low, I'll always just add a little bit more champagne to it. Ooh. There we go. And I'm just gonna give this a final mix with my cinnamon stick. Now we're just gonna pour ourselves a glass, very carefully. Try not to spill. I already spilled with the champagne. Also, I forgot to mention one thing. If you want to do a little garnish on your drink, I just have some rosemary sprigs that I dusted with some edible glitter and sprinkles, and they're so super pretty. So I'm just gonna pop these in our glasses. Thank you so much for watching, and happy holidays. Cheers.